So, according to Meek Mill's #1 fan page and an eyewitness, Meek has been arrested tonight, and it's for riding a bike yesterday. That's crazy. So basically they're saying that he rode his dirt bike in NYC yesterday, and today the cops caught up with him in Dyckman and locked him up. That's absurd as hell. The eyewitness said Meek got arrested from riding his bike in NYC yesterday. They're never going to let Meek live. Shaking my head. Let that man be great. They pulled him over for what looked like no reason, stuff like that. It was an excessive amount of cop cars that pulled up and blocked traffic, maybe like 5 to 6, including a whole paddy wagon. Wow, that's crazy. And his fan page says, "I just don't understand shit no more. There is no way y'all arrest Meek Mill for something as small as riding a dirt bike. Mind you, they only confiscate your bike. They don't follow arrest, so for them to use this as a bullshit excuse is ridiculous. The system stays trying to throw BS on the man because of his name. He'll get out on bond, or they'll just let him go still crazy. He might miss JiMMY FALLON tonight if it wasn't pre-recorded. Shaking my damn head. I just find it funny how when he's set to perform Young Black America on national TV, they pull this type of card to stop it. What do y'all think about this? Leave your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this page for more. Also, be sure to like us on Facebook at facebook.com/pettyblog, and be sure to hit that bell to join the notification gang. pettyblog.com signing off.